So last class we have done DDL, DML, and TCL, transaction control. Okay. So now we'll do DCL, data control language. So data control language is nothing but it's giving the access, grants and all. So grant and revoke. Grant, G-R-A-N-T, grant and revoke. You can give the access, you can take out the access. So those are comes under DCL. Okay, so basically this DCL part used to do is a DBA, like giving the access and all these things to other user. So that time you can give the access or you can take out the access. Okay. So let's check how they are going to do this thing. So just connect to. So for that, what you have to do now? You are into which user? You are into Scott user, right?
Yes.
So for that, we need another user. Let's say we'll go to the sys user. Okay. So connect again.
Okay.
Connect one more user. There is a plus sign. No. Okay. Go to connection. That plus sign is there, right? No. Little bit right side, right.
Yes.
Yeah, that one. Click on that.
Okay.
Right sys. Remove that Scott.
Okay.
Sys. SYS system. I mean SYS.
Okay. Okay.
Password is same. Small sys. Now connect. Okay. Just okay. Click on the OK. Here now do OK. It should connect as a sys DBA. Okay, not as a normal.
Okay. It's connected.
Okay, it's connected. Now this is actually the DBA in our database. So system. Okay, so everything, all the full access will be here only, and Scott and all other users can be created from here. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's say you want to create your own schema or own user. How to create? Okay. So what you have to do? Create user, right? Create user. Suppose you want to create a user by your name, or like this is a Scott, like that you can create your own username. Okay. Create user. Give the name. Let's say you can give your name. Any name you can give. Okay. Oracle. Okay. Space. Identified by. You can give some password. Same you can give. Password same you can give. Semicolon. Okay. Now we are creating another schema or user. Okay. Now control enter.
User
So
created.
user is created. Now again click on the plus sign, connect to that. Click on that plus sign. You can connect one more user.
So which user I had to connect to?
Just now we created that user, right? Oracle class.
Okay.
And password you have given the same.
Yes.
Yeah. Now connect. Now you can see here. See here what happened. You have created the user, okay, but you have not given any permission to connect and all this. Okay.
Mm.
Can you see that, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are nothing but the grant and privilege. Okay. So again, click OK. So you have privilege. You can't log in. Although you have created, you cannot log in. Okay. Now close it. Now you have to give the grant also. Okay.
Okay.
Now give. Come to the system. Give grant. Paste. Connect to that username. Semicolon. Run it. We'll do one by one so that you can understand. Now grant success.
Grant 6.
Now go and again connect. Let's see. Now he is the given the grant to this user now to connect. Let's see what is happening.
Disconnecting.
Perfect. So it is connecting. Now we have to give, actually we have only given the grant for now do select star from some table.
In which connection?
There.
Okay.
Oracle class. No, Oracle class. That editor. Select star from EMP. Semicolon. Control enter. Table is not exist. Okay. Anyhow,
Yes.
table is not there. So now let's create one table here.
Okay.
Just write create table, CREATE, create table T1, table T1, Oracle, whatever, enter. Just give only one column, bracket start. No. Give the column name, data type. Bracket close, semicolon. That's it. One. Let it be one. Okay. Bracket close, semicolon. Control enter. See, again you are
We
getting.
don't have.
Yeah. Again we don't have permission. Okay. So like that, this is nothing but your DCL command. Okay. The grant and revoke. Got it?
Okay.
Now we have
If
to
you
go
want to give
again.
give access for creating, what we have
Then
to
you have
do?
to give the access also. That also. So some few commands are there, grant commands. Just you have to run.
Okay.
I'll tell you. Just run those. Then you can able to do that. Okay.
Okay.
Now write grant connect comma resource comma DBA TO2 space TO2 that database name Oracle class. Run it.
Yes, granted.
Granted. I'll give you one more. Grant create session.
Yes, yes.
Grant create session.
Hmm.
Grant create session. Create session space grant any privilege space PRIVILEGE any privilege PRIVILEGE PRIVILE yes privilege to Oracle class. GRANT. Okay, run it. Done, right?
No. Missing or invalid privilege.
What happened?
Missing or invalid privilege.
1 second. Let me type here. Yeah, I have typed in the chart. Just paste it.
Okay.
Then copy and paste it. There only two. Just two. Then give space. That one you give.
No.
What happened?
Same thing.
You executed the first one, right? DBA one.
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. Press OK. Run the below one again. I have paste.
Yes.
What happened? No, I have pasted
Error.
I have pasted one. Grant unlimited table space.
One more you pasted. Yeah, this is coming.
Coming.
Yes.
Okay. Now how? Just go and create that one.
No, it is not coming.
That create one not working. Grant create session.
No, sir, that is not working.
Some spelling mistakes. Let's see. Okay. You are into SIS grant, CREAT create session. One second. Oh, you do one thing. Remove the 7th one. Now the this one grant to create session to Oracle. Okay. Now just check
Yes.
once. Just check once there. Still, we have to give so many. Just we'll check one by one. Okay.
No, sir.
Now you run the other one.
Wait, sir.
Unlimited table space.
Yeah, that is also granted.
Okay. Perfect. Now check.
No,
Hmm?
no, sir, we are not able to create.
Grant create. Give grant create.
Here, in Oracle, yes.
No. In SIS
Okay.
grant create table.
Table created.
Okay. So go there. Go to SIS. Go to SIS. You can click on that editors. Okay. So here you can see. So now you understand. Try to understand what is DCL, data control language. Okay. So control means it's all about DBA, data administrator part. Okay. So you have to for this create a session, create a user, everything you have to give the grant permission from the system level. Okay. So this thing actually basically as a developer we may not need more this thing because our DBA person they used to give all this thing. Okay. Yeah. So then I mean that depends upon the this one organization. So if they want to create separate user, separate user for separate user, separate schema, so they can use. Okay. Or else
Okay.
initially while doing the setup and all this thing, to whom they are going to give access, write access, read access, they are going to check all this thing. Okay. This is nothing about your permission related. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. You can save it.
Yes.
There are some
Grant connected resources data.
because there are you have to access from DBA or resource something you want to access from the select star from all these things. So that time you need all the resources and everything. So that also by default you have to give the access to this because when you give a user all the environment setup also you have to give the access, right? All the related default database, default resource, everything you have to give the access. So for that, these are the 2-3 grant you have to give by default.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, save it. So anyone has any doubt till now?
No, sir.
Now let's come to the other topic. So we have done this one and this one. Now rest is the DQL or DRL. Okay. So last one is DQL or DRL, that is nothing but data retrieve language or data query language. So here it is only select statement. So let's say you want to select something, select star from EMP. That means you are going to retrieve. So here star in the sense all the column names. Okay. Suppose you want some particular column. How to do? Enter, enter. Select, let's say employee number. I want employee number and salary. That's it. These two column. That time no need to give star. Wait. No. Wait. So retrieve means select employee number, comma, remove that star. So you have to, I want only 2-3 columns. Okay. Employee number, employee name and salary. That's it. So what is the column name for employee number?
1.
EMPNO. You see in the output.
This
EMP.
one.
This one. Those are the column names. EMPNO, right?
Hello, Vidya.
Yes.
Super.
So right.
Select.
EMPNO.
Okay.
ಹಂಗೆ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಕಲ್ಲ
ಏನು
Comma. Then name.
ಇಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ
Then salary. Then salary also.
ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ಬಂದಿರೋ ಕಾಲ್ ಕೂಡ ತೊಂದಿದ್ದಿಲ್ಲ ನೋವು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು
From EMP. Semicolon. So you can select particular columns using this. Instead of select, if you are using star means all the columns will come. You want particular columns means you have to give the column names so that you can get those column data, right? And if you want to filter something, if you want to filter something means you can give the where clause, where this equal to this. Clear? Anyhow, we are going to have more into this where clause and having all this clause in our going forward. We'll do that. Okay. So this is all about our SQL clause. So DDL, DML, DCL, TCL, okay, and DQL. Okay. So data definition. Let me give you overview. Data definition language is nothing but a structure like create, alter, all this thing. Data manipulation is nothing but related to data insert, update, delete. Okay. Data control means grant and revoke, giving permission and all. TCL means transaction control, that is nothing but commit and rollback. And DQ or DRL means only to retrieve, that is nothing but select clause. Okay. All clear? Any doubt till now?
ಏನಂದ
No, sir.